Hello everyone, let me discuss the global cloud providers in this particular session. So, what are the different cloud providers available? We have Amazon Web Services or AWS. AWS provides you with cloud computing platforms and APIs on a pay as you go basis. Then in 2020, they offer up to 212 different services. That means you can go for any of these service as per your requirement. They are offered to you as APIs. Maybe you can call it from your application or you can go to the console and interact with them as well. There are different categories like compute, storage, networking, database, analytics, application services, deployment, IoT. That means you have a lot of different categories. Depending on your requirement, you can go for any choice of the services. Again, it's pay as you go model. That means whatever you utilize, you have to pay for that. And again, the free tier, basically the free tier is listed in the terms of usage. That means the usage is basically capped up to the free tier. That means you get up to certain limits per month for free for the first 12 months of a brand new AWS account. Subscribers will pay for the operating system, the software, the networking, availability, and the different service options. So depending on the combination of which OS, which software they are going with, they have to pay according to that. Then we have Google Cloud Platform, which is a suite of cloud computing services offered by Google. It has over 90 products listed under the Google Cloud brand. Key services include App Engine, Compute Engine, Kubernetes Engine, Cloud Functions, and Cloud Run. So for big data and machine learning, different types of services are available or offered by the Google Cloud Platform as well. It's available in 22 regions and 61 zones, and you get credit in terms of some amount of dollars. That means the free tier or the free usage is basically in terms of some dollars of free usage in terms of credits. Then we have Microsoft Azure, that is also one of the leading cloud provider. It's a cloud computing service offered by Microsoft. It's available in 54 regions around the entire world. It lists over 600 different services. Key services again include computer services, mobile services, storage services, data management, messaging management, etc. So you have different types of services available under Azure, which are again equivalent to different providers as well. So they have a different bouquet of services offered, and they also come up with a free tier of their own. That means they will give you certain dollars in credit for free usage for a brand new Azure account. Then you have Alibaba Cloud. Alibaba Cloud is a cloud computing service offered by the Alibaba Group. It's available in 19 data center regions and 56 availability zones around the entire world. Key services include anti-DDoS, you have Apsara DB, you have Elastic Compute Service, DT+, Virtual Private Cloud, Express Connect, etc. Then you have Oracle Cloud. Oracle Cloud is the cloud computing service offered by the Oracle Corporation. It offers services in IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS models. That is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Total availability zone regions are 21 and they are up to go to 36 by the end of 2020. Key services include virtual machines, container registry, block volumes, file storage, virtual cloud network, artificial intelligence, etc. And also Oracle also has a free tier for usage. So that's pretty much it about the different kind of cloud providers that we have. Thank you, and again let's meet in the next session.